The Tata Nexon EV is India's best-selling electric car. But with rising competition in 2025, is it still the best choice for you? Let's find out. The Tata Nexon EV made electric cars truly popular in India. It was the first affordable EV that combined range, style, and practicality. Now, the 2025 version arrives with a better range, refreshed design, and more premium features. But the big question remains, is it still the electric SUV you should buy today? Let's explore. From the outside, the new Nexon EV looks smarter and more futuristic. You get sleek LED lights, redesigned alloy wheels, and Tata's signature blue EV highlights that instantly make it stand out. The overall design feels aerodynamic, confident, and youthful. A perfect match for India's most loved electric SUV. Step inside, and you'll notice how much Tata has improved the cabin. It now feels genuinely premium and feature-packed. You get a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, a fully digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, ventilated seats, ADAS safety features, and fast charging capability. The interiors are modern, comfortable, and solidly built. A clear reflection of Tata listening to real customer feedback. The new Nexon EV offers multiple variants with different battery capacities. The larger pack delivers up to 465 kilometers of certified range, while the real-world range stays around 350 to 370 kilometers, depending on driving style and conditions. With DC fast charging, you can go from 10 to 80% in just about 50 minutes. That's perfect for daily commutes and even weekend highway trips. Performance is smooth and instant, typical of electric power. The Nexon EV feels quick in city traffic, and highway cruising is effortless thanks to its strong torque delivery. The regenerative braking system works efficiently, helping you extend range while keeping the drive experience refined and quiet. Pricing for the 2025 Tata Nexon EV starts around 14 lakh rupees and goes up to 20 lakh rupees ex-showroom for the top variants. Yes, it's more expensive than the Tata Punch EV, but still cheaper than electric rivals like the AMG ZS EV or Hyundai Kona Electric. For the balance of range, features, and safety, it hits a sweet spot for most Indian buyers. When it comes to safety, Tata continues to set benchmarks. The Nexon EV 2025 proudly holds a 5-star Bharat NCAP safety rating for both adult and child occupant protection, applicable to both the 45 kWh and 30 kWh versions, combined with Tata's robust build quality. It stands as one of the safest electric SUVs on Indian roads. Positives: impressive range for the price, feature-loaded and comfortable cabin, affordable entry into premium EV ownership, and the trusted reliability of the Tata brand. Negatives: charging infrastructure in India is still developing, and the upfront cost is higher than comparable petrol or diesel SUVs. So, what's your pick? The Tata Nexon EV or the AMG ZS EV? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'll be reading them all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because next we're bringing the Nexon EV versus AMG ZS EV showdown. And trust me, that one's going to be exciting. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary depending on your state, insurance, and GST update.